as you're cutting it. Keep some pressure on it. There you go.
Hey, oh. Cut
Rip it.
right there, close to that.
Pull on it when you cut it. There you go.
There you go.
Pull on it.
It's fixing to come out.
You got him.
Let's see, here's,
Don't be playing around with that knife in your hand.
Alright. I got it. Daddy, look at my hands. I'm gonna
come here. Get that right there, hold that and cut
Skeeter.
right across there
I don't
like
want to
that.
put that.
Go ahead. You can't hold it, you can't choose your jobs.
You have to hold it and
Just
cut it.
take hold of it, blood will wash off. Go ahead, blood will wash off.
Get in there and cut him off. Whack him off.
There you go.
I'm gonna see if I can go give it to Skeeter.
Come right here, here's some more.
Get it. See you.
Come here.